hunting knife has been around since ancient times when hunting was the primary way humans acquired meat. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good hunting knives. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which hunting knives is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Mussio 2-piece Bowie knife. A decent hunting knife should be adaptable and preferably affordable. Mussio 2-piece Bowie knife set is exactly what it says it is. The only difference between the two knives is the length of the blades. Both have full tang stack leather handles, razor-sharp cut point blades measuring 6 inches and 4 inches, and impact nylon sheaths. This 2-knife set is perfect if you want to complete your hunting gear on a budget. This multi-purpose knife set can be used for a range of tasks and duties in the great outdoors, including cutting, skinning, gutting, and slicing. However, this knife set is not the best choice for batoning firewood. You'll need a more durable knife for that. Even so, this one will do the job whether you use it for dressing game or doing camp chores. The handle is made of stacked leather and is ergonomically contoured to provide you a good grip while working. Number 2. Buck Knives 124 Frontiersman knife. As recognizable as Harley-Davidson are buck hunting knives. Since forever, they have produced high-quality, long-lasting hunting knives for everyone from outdoor beginners to seasoned hunters. The 6/14-inch blade of the limited edition, big and bold 124 Frontiersman hunting knife, is made of high-carbon 420 stainless steel. This knife has everything a hunter might want, from the traditional straight spine blade with its hollow grind profile to the black micarta handles and complete tang. You'll utilize it to dissect that 12-pointer and for all other jobs around camp. In addition to arriving razor-sharp and incredibly well-balanced, it also has outstanding edge retention, which is crucial. The pommel makes a great blunt weapon for self-defense, while the metal cross guards keep your hand where it belongs while spearing. Number 3. SOG Seal Strike Tactical Hunting Knife. You can stop browsing if you're seeking for a super durable contemporary clip-point hunting knife. The Navy SEALs knives served as the design model for the SOG Seal Strike hunting knife. The stainless steel clip-point blade has a black titanium nitride coating on it for corrosion protection. Full tang means that the blade extends all the way into the handle. Because of so, it is much stronger than the typical bushcrafter Bowie knife. Additionally, the blade has partial serrations for rapid and precise edge cuts. The handle is made with control and comfort in mind. You won't drop it even if your hands are wet or sweaty, since it is constructed of stainless steel, has an ergonomic design, and has a non-slip grip pattern. Additionally, it has one of the best sheaths available in this price range. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. Probably the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the name Smith & Wesson is an old-fashioned revolver. Of course, it is their most well-known product, but they also produce an outstanding selection of knives. As a bit of a wild card, we choose to put the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA-24's folding knife in our list. Although this knife is somewhat smaller than the typical hunting knife, we believe it still has some utility as a hunting companion. Even though it's not a gut hook, the little 3.1-inch blade will quickly handle any skinning and gutting tasks you need to do while out hunting. It includes a comfortable pocket clip and a handle with thumb knobs that is ergonomically built. Additionally, the blade folds away, making this knife portable for any circumstance. Even though the blade is slightly serrated, it is still razor sharp. We also love how affordable it is. If you're looking for a compact, dependable knife for small game, this one is a terrific choice. Number 5. Buck Knives 119 Special Hunting Knife. Buck has released the 119, another limited edition hunting knife, to commemorate the model's 75th birthday. Each knife comes with a commemorative anniversary medallion on the handle. You can understand why it's taken so long. With a complete tang and a 6-inch clip blade, it is a stunning knife with great corrosion resistance and edge retention. The 6-inch clip point blade is made of 420 high-carbon steel, which is particularly corrosion resistant and robust, making it perfect for many types of outdoor work. It is ideal for cutting, piercing, and many forms of detail work because to its thin tip. Some guys might want to buy this because it's collectible, but nobody should overlook the fact that the 119 has been around for so long, because it's such a great hunting and survival knife. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.